What is going on, guys? So, first thing is first, let's just ignore my hair, right? I just came back from the gym and I had a hat on, so we'll just ignore it. But today we will be looking at Stellar or XLM. So, you guys already know the drill, right? We're going to be going through the technicals, we're going to go into what it is, and is it a good investment to make long term, short term, yada yada yada. So first thing, we go to TradingView here, right? We're gonna go to the month because we want to see basically everything. It's done. Ranges. Okay. So as of now, it's not doing what I need it to do. Okay. So here we see, right? Started at around 27 cents, ended up dipping down. This isn't too old here yet, and its all-time high was 80 cents, and now it's back down to 37. So theoretically, to its all-time high, that's almost a 3x. Right now it's 2x. But yeah, down here it was close to a 3x. Right here, as you guys can see, it dropped all the way down to 7 cents. It's already back at 37 cents. So let's go down here, right? Let's look at the market cap. We can see circulating supply, total, and max supply. Now this is actually a funny number due to the fact that usually it's if anything, it would just be like 50 billion. But anyways, so max supply is 50 billion. So what does this mean? Basically, if it reaches a dollar, its total market cap would be 50 billion. Right. So we can see here, market cap right now is at 8 billion. So it would basically have to around 4x. But however, since circulating supply isn't even at half of the max supply, right? What does this mean? Right now, it's a very small and undervalued crypto, and just based off of the technicals and the circulating supply, due to that fact. But if we go here, right, it's like what actually is Stellar, because this is gonna obviously influence our decision. So Grayscale is a Stellar Lumens trust, right? Basically, you have assets under management, trailing 12 months up 223%, since inception 150%. So it's very simple. Let's press invest now, right? So start investing your information. Am I eligible to invest in Grayscale's private placement offerings? Are you an accredited investor? Yes, I am. Grayscale private placements are only available to accredited investors as defined. An individual must earn blah blah blah. Let me guess, the minimum is usually around $50,000 to $100,000. Anyways, please select I am an accredited investor. What that you are currently considering, invest through cash. So right now, you kind of can see, right? They accept investments under 25,000. It's not a bad thing, but usually if you make it accredited investing, the minimum is usually the lowest I've seen so far is 50,000. So it's odd that they allow the 25,000, right? If anything, it's usually right in between this range. I'm not a fan that it's like I would like to sell blah blah blah, right? But let's go to investment products, all products. Explore Grayscale's product offerings. So basic attention token trust in the past month up 43. In the 3 months it's down 12%. 12 months no update. So Grayscale Bitcoin Trust trailing 12 months 274, 3 months 18, 1 month 45, 108 for the Bitcoin Cash Trust. Chainlink Trust in the past 3 months down 24, past 3 months down 10. Grayscale Ethereum Trust up 618. Yep. Horizon Trust 607, 773. So right now that 773 is the biggest one that we have, which is a 7x, and that's the Grayscale Ethereum Classic. Private placement currently unavailable, so we'll just go here, the Horizon Trust. That's also a good rate of return. But basically, it's very interesting to see how this works for tax advantage accounts. I think it's a great system. Holding share at close of 60 change, year to date, and since inception, not bad, not bad. When was it incepted? In the past 12 months. Okay, so it's been over a year, so that's not the greatest sign. But yeah, so anyways, it's a great product. I don't like that it's one accredited investing. Usually if that is, it just means it's a crap ton of money. And considering this really isn't, and I'm not being like, oh, 25,000 isn't a lot. No, it's just more like a lot more people can get into it, especially nowadays, just due to that fact, because it's not hard to have 25,000 or under 25,000, right? It could literally be 5 or 10, who knows. But I think it's a good system. If anything, I would make it, if you're going to keep accredited investors, I would up it to around 100,000. Or if you want to make it more open to the public and just be like, but you can't cash out, because that's how it usually is in a fund. You can't cash out for at least 12 months. And you got to show some kind of proof, right? Of like bank statements that you actually have the money to invest. Then I would feel like this would be a lot better. So, I mean, right now, the way it's set up isn't ideal. However, it's not a bad thing. So that means it looks pretty good, which kind of gives me to the opinion that it's undervalued. However, I'm not the biggest fan of that. If we literally look here, right, from January, of that 13 cents all the way to 37, or even that 7 cents all the way to 37, that's a great rate of return. But just the 7 to 80 cents, right, is a huge jump, and then straight back down all the way to lows here to 19 cents. That's just a lot of volatility, especially for like a fund in a sense. So that's kind of a little bit worrisome for long term. But I feel like if they make some changes to the fund, right, $50 billion isn't too far off, because if we end up going here, right, 50 billion, let's go click on Solana, that's number 10. Their current market cap is 20 billion, so that would still have ways to go. So at 50 billion, let's try Binance. I feel like they're at 50 billion. Market cap, yep, 71 billion. So they would be right on par with around Binance, Tether, and XRP. If we go here, we can see XRP 56, so USDC. Market cap 27. Okay, so it would be right at where Dogecoin's at. And again, that's not a bad thing. It has really good potential, in my opinion. I think right now, at its current price, right, I'm not the biggest fan of the price it's currently at. So it's just a good buying time, in my opinion, would be right around 20 cents. Because that gives a good upside. I could see it going to $1. That'd be a 5x return. And in its current market cap, $1 is very doable. Even in its full, once it has everything, the entire max supply is out there, it can still be $1. Especially as the entire, obviously, market cap of crypto changes right now. We're at 2 trillion. So once that increases, obviously this will increase as well. So it's good news. It's not one of the best that we have so far. However, it should be one that we keep on our watch list, just to kind of see. It's not a buy for me right now. However, I do want to keep an eye on it, just because in case something comes up that they're making changes or anything like that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and sub, and click the links for free stuff that I give away. And other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.